our host. Request you to pay attention to her. To ensure you understand the meeting format, you can also refer to the agenda handed over to you in case of any confusion. Today's Toastmaster of the day is a person who is a senior tech analyst at Johnson Controls India by profession. Current president of our Toastmaster Club of Pune Northwest. She is in presentation mastery and dynamic leadership proficient. She likes singing. Without any further ado, let's welcome Toastmaster Swati. Over to you, Toastmaster Swati.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Bala, for that grand introduction. And let me welcome to the area director, to the presiding officer, and to all my dear and lovely Toastmasters and the guests to the wonderful meeting with theme as self-love. So I just wanted to know how many of you believe in self-love. I think each and everyone should believe in self-love. For example, there were two kids who were walking in the garden, and one of them was a bit on the darker side. She had lovely curly hair, and she was feeling a bit jealous of a friend who is on the fairer side and who likes speaking and who is extremely adorable with blue eyes. So both of them, they came and they asked their mom, like, why are we different? Then immediately their mom told, like, each and everyone are different, just like the flowers in the garden. And we all need to respect what we are and how we should be. And we all, God has created each and every one of us differently so that the world looks beautiful. So we all need to respect each and every of us and appreciate what we are and to improve ourselves day and night. So that is what all self-love is all about. And if we are not respecting ourselves or if we degrade ourselves, how can we respect our friends or how can we respect our family members? So by saying this, let me just brief you about our meeting program today. Our first half of the meeting would be a regular meeting with two speakers and two evaluators, and we will not be having the table topic session today. And our second half of the meeting is the moment of truth, wherein all of us would be divided in the groups and would be distributed and would get to know each other. And we will discuss on the various parameters how our club is performing. By saying this, I would like to hand over to our presiding officer, who is a VP Education and who likes, most of the time I could see him in the social media. So he likes most often spending in the Facebook or Instagram. Apart from that, he's a brilliant trainer and he's student of many kids. He's a teacher of many kids and he loves enhancing himself day and night. So let us welcome our presiding officer of the day and our VP Education, Toastmaster Chandra. Over to you, Toastmaster Chandra.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster of the Day, Toastmaster Swati. Self-love, what an amazing theme. So before I tell anything about it, I want to share a small story with you all. In the morning, I shared one photo in the WhatsApp. Maybe you were able to see it. And after seeing that photo, I got so many responses like, are you in this photo? Who are these people? So hold on to your horses. I'm going to tell you the story from photographer perspective. This is an interesting story from Kerala. Now, this photo was taken at Calicut Beach 3 or 4 years ago. At one corner of beach, I saw around 70-80 teenager boys, all of them wearing black t-shirt and blue jeans, and all of them had long hair. I was quite curious to know about them, so I decided to spend some time with them. Few moments later, with this teenager, taught me so many important lessons of the life. So One boy of 18 years started this interesting movement. At the age of 17 years, when I was in class 11, he grew his hair just to follow his favorite sports star. He was badly trolled by his teacher, his parents, family member, and most of the time, the people around him. He was surprised to see why so many people are concerned about his hair. Many people told him that he looks more girlish, he looks like mental patient or addict. Simple words. They wanted to tell him, normal boys don't grow hair like this. Now his rational mind didn't understand the logic behind this. So he decided to challenge the thought of the society. He told his friend and they all decided to grow the hair. And as expected, they all were extremely opposed and trolled by the people around them. But slowly, hundreds of new youngsters joined them and they formed such groups in 10 more districts. Group members have to follow some important rules, like they must not use any addictive substance and concentrate on their career and behave responsibly. Few college also stated that they will threaten the students if they will not cut the hair. But at the end of 1 year, they all realized their time, effort, and they donated their lovely hairs to the cancer patient. While giving their hair, they learned the process of detachment and the joy of giving something, and their self-love. They all were youngsters who were called bad and so many names. Many times in our society, we fix so many beliefs just baselessly ground. We wrongly judge people on their looks and the dress. Not only educated, but even highly educated people also have such kind of wrong beliefs. While following that many blind beliefs, we completely forgot to ask one important question: why? And after meeting those youngsters, I realized I have also made such irrational beliefs. And now I need to work for the lifetime to challenge those beliefs. A very simple way to do this and search of the $1 billion question is why. In our Toastmasters, we are always appreciated, and I have realized why self love is really important. Thank you so much for Swati for such an amazing theme. And over to you, Toastmaster of the day. Swati?
Thank you so much, Presiding Officer Chandra. Thank you so much, Presiding Officer Chandra. So, the journey to self love doesn't mean that you are alone. You are with a group of friends who help you out in and out in your journey. Just like a Toastmaster friend, like few of them help us in improving our communication skills. Of them
Swati, you're on mute.
Thank you so much, Chandra, for pointing out that. So I was just telling, like the journey to self-love is not alone. You are with a group of people who adore you and who encourage you day and night and appreciate your efforts. Just like our Toastmaster friends, few of them they give us really positive feedback and they try to be our mentors. Few of them they try to be our close buddy by hanging out with us and by discussing with us on speeches and everything. And few of them are like who teaches us in the communication as well as leadership skill. In the similar way, in today's meeting also, we have our friends or our role players who will guide us and will walk us through the self-love journey. And our first role player is someone who takes care of the time and who would help us throughout the meeting to let us know like where we are lagging or where we are progressing. So without any fail, let me just introduce the timer. The timer of the meeting for today is Toastmaster Anjali. Toastmaster Anjali is a student and she likes singing and dancing. And she's an MBA graduate and she's going through her wonderful journey of Toastmasters. And last week only she had given her icebreaker. So without any delay, with a big round of applause, let us welcome Toastmaster Anjali. Over to you, Toastmaster Anjali. to brief in your role.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Anjali, please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. Mr. President, Toastmaster of the Day, fellow Toastmaster, and dear guest. In today's meeting, I am performing timer role. My duty is keep track of every minute of the meeting and note down the exact timing of all the speakers, including prepared speeches, evaluator, and other role plays. I will also indicate green, yellow, and red card to alert speaker at a specific milestone to help them to complete their speech or report. When a speaker reaches the minimum time allotted, I will turn my background green card. It's visible?
Yes.
Yeah. When a speaker reaches the exact midpoint of the time range allotted, I will turn the yellow like this. And when the speaker or the maximum time allotted, I will turn the red card like this. Every speaker or evaluator or and other role players got 30 seconds of grace period. I will report end of the meeting to who are qualified or not. Over to Toastmaster of the day. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Toastmaster Anjali, for that brief introduction of the timer role. And as we all go through the journey of self-love, there might be ups and downs, and there might be hiccups or hindrance in between. So there is someone who will count all our hiccups when we are giving our speeches, or who will call all our break points during our speeches, and who will give us a report so that we improve ourselves and our speeches on the regular basis. And in order to play this, or in order to play the accountant role, we have someone who is a quality analyst and who likes watching movies and reading books. And apart from all that, he's a new friend who joined our club and who has been actively taking roles. So without any delay, let me welcome Toastmaster Pradeep to brief in the accountant role. Over to you, Toastmaster Pradeep.
Hello, am I audible? Yeah, good morning,
Yes,
Mr.
Pradeep.
President, Toastmaster of the day, fellow Toastmasters, and dear guests. I am Toastmaster Pradeep. I am happy to be the counter for the today's meeting. The purpose of the counter is to note down the overused word, filler words, or filler sounds as a clutch by anyone who speaks during the meeting. These filler words can be and, or, so, well, etc. The filler sounds can be ah, and unnecessary sounds and unnecessary pauses. At the start of the meeting, at the end of the meeting, I'll present my report to General Evaluator. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Pradeep, for briefing up the counter role. Thank you so much, Pradeep. And thank you for briefing us the counter role in detail. Now, we will have someone who would play the grammar Nazi. And as we all know, we are here to improve our communication skills day and night. So we have someone who will come up with a good grammarian report or the Nazi report, and who will introduce us to even to the word of the day and the phrase of the day. And today we have someone special who would be playing the grammarian role. She is a graduate in Bharatanatyam, and she is a really good instrument player, and she is recently turned DTF, and she is multi-talented, and she doesn't need any introduction. So without any fail, let me introduce Toastmaster Meenal for briefing the grammarian role. Over to you, Toastmaster Meenal.
Thanks, Toastmaster of the Day, Swati, for that grand welcome and introduction. Good morning, everyone. This is Toastmaster Meenal, your grammarian for the day. I've come here with the word of the day and phrase of the day pretty in line with the theme, that is self-love. So the word of the day goes this way. It's self-esteem, which means a realistic respect for one's own self. Well, I can give you two examples. Never accept anything that hurts your self-esteem. And secondly, Mr. Arun Bhatia's self-esteem cost him 47 transfers in his tenure as an IAS officer. Now let's get on to the phrase of the day. Means a big cheese, which implies an important person. I can give you two examples here. Mirabai Chanu has become the big cheese after winning a silver at Tokyo Olympics. Secondly, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra has become the big cheese regarding announcement of lockdown. Now I would come back to you all. Can you give me at least one example of the word of the day and phrase of the day? Anyone from you all? Yes, people, come up with it.
Yeah, I would like to try.
Yeah, Chandra, go ahead.
Thank you so much for reminding me who is the big cheese in today's meeting. We do have some of the big cheese in today's meeting as our area director is over here.
That's great.
I'll
Thank
also
you,
try.
Master Chandra. Yeah. Please
For
go
me,
ahead.
my self-esteem is very important. I am never ready to compromise on it.
That's great, Renu. And we have always seen it through your own speeches. Keep up the spirit. And I would encourage every one of you to use the word of the day and phrase of the day to the best of your ability. And later we will have a big round of applause and also a special mention for those who have used the word of the day and phrase of the day. Meanwhile, I'll also paste them and the examples in the chat box. And apart from it, my role would be to look through the grammatical skeleton of the entire meeting as to which was the good usage of language and which could have been improved and incorporated from the next meeting onwards. By the end of the meeting, that is before we start with the moments of the truth, I'll be back with my report. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you so much, DTM Meenal, for that wonderful word of the day and the phrase of the day. And we will certainly use it throughout the meeting. And now, let me welcome someone who will be observing our proceedings throughout the meeting. And he also doesn't need any introduction. He is one of the most popular member of our club. And he is someone who is very active and taking up roles, and he takes up his project really, really seriously. And he works in the logistic team for more than 32 years. So let me welcome DTM Vinod to brief in the general evaluator role. Over to you, DTM Vinod.
Yeah. Good morning, all. Good morning, Madam Area Director, Mr. Presiding Officers, Toastmasters of the Day, fellow Toastmasters, and dear guests, and happy friendship to all of us. I'm playing my role as a general evaluator. My role is to evaluate all the role players, and I will evaluation also. I will not evaluate speakers because speakers will be evaluating by the evaluator. I will present report at the end of the sessions. Thank you very much. Over to you, Toastmaster of the Day.
Thank you so much, DTM Vinod. And hope we have a rocking meeting today. And with further no delay, let me just start our first session, that is speech session or prepared speech session, wherein the members would come ahead and each and every project in the Toastmasters is considered as a speech, or each and every speech in the Toastmaster is considered as a project. So we have someone who will be delivering his first speech, and he would be evaluated by Toastmaster Renu. So Toastmaster Renu, can you brief in the objective of the project or the objective of the speech before we proceed ahead?
Yes, objective of his speech is to introduce himself to the club and to understand the basic structure of speaking. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Renu. So our first speaker is someone who is working in the R&D department in Bajaj Automobiles. And he likes watching movies and he likes investigating things. So without any further delay, let me welcome our first speaker, Toastmaster Ashutosh. Toastmaster Ashutosh, can we have a quick audio and video check?
Yeah, hello. Am I audible and visible?
Yes, you're audible as well as you're visible. And can you see the timer card as well?
Just a second. Yes, I can see. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Ashutosh. And Toastmaster Ashutosh, as you haven't given your speech title, can you provide us the speech title?
Yeah, it is becoming a better version of ourselves.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Ashutosh. So Toastmaster Ashutosh, becoming a better person of ourselves, Toastmaster Ashutosh, over to you.
Okay, yeah. Hello, everyone. I am Ashutosh, and it's been around 2 years back when I first heard about Toastmaster when I was preparing for my PMP examination. It took me around 2 years to join this club, but as you all know, it is always better to be late than never. So here I am. As a part of my speech, icebreaker speech, I have been asked to brief something about myself so that club can know more about me. I'm going to share some part of my life, which will maybe tell how, as a person, I have evolved over the period of time. So back in 1998 or 2000, when I was in class, perhaps fifth or sixth, I was a very mediocre kind of student. I was not very good in studies, neither in the extracurricular activities. Whereas my brother and sister, we all three were in the same school. They were doing really well in their classes. If my principal and teachers do complain about myself to my parents that see his brother and sister is doing well in the class. However, we don't know why Ashutosh is not performing well. When I moved to class 6th, I started. I find one boy who was senior to me, and he was very good in his academics, and not only academics but also in the extracurricular activities as well. So his personality kind of started inspiring me. I started looking up to him, how he's doing things, how he's walking, how he's talking. And because of his entire persona, that attracts me most. I thought that maybe if I'm going to imitate how he's doing things, I may become like him. So I started in my own personal life, how he speaks, I started speaking like him. How he walk, I started, and I'm imitating all the things what he do in the school life. But what about going back to home? Because for that part, I'm completely unaware. So I thought of myself, what can be done to improve my academic life as well? And just as a part of my own churning in my mind, that maybe whatever I have been taught in the school, if I go back to home and if I remember the concepts, whatever I have been told, if I do all those things and memorize what we have been told in very same day, maybe I can perform better in my class. So following this regime for maybe starting from that day, every another day, whatever I have been taught in my class, I used to remember those concepts and then memorize all the things what are being told to us. Following this regime, when my quarter-final exam came, earlier I was securing maybe a 23rd, 25th rank of my class. I stood 7th for the very first time. So this is the first time I tasted the joy of success. How it feel like when you are from the last student of the class, now you become the first, maybe in top 10 of your class strength. So my self-esteem came up definitely, and I started becoming the big cheese of the entire class. My all new set of friends become changed. Earlier, I don't have any friends. Now the other students who were really performing well in their class, in my class, they started establishing a friendship with me. Now I used to hang around with those friends who were really doing well in my class. And because I was a new intellectual in my class, so we start discussing things that were not of much of our interest. Like we used to like we used to discuss maybe what is a solar eclipse, what is a lunar eclipse, what is IST, what is ISD, and all those kind of things. And because as we all know that a person's personality is the aggregate image of his surroundings, and because of my surroundings I was becoming better and better every another day. Now here I am in the surrounding of Toastmaster Club, wherein we have a varied knowledge and skill set of people around me. So, and everybody is having a fantastic skill set and the knowledge areas, and when we all are coming together on one platform, discussing, sharing our thought processes, and improving our communication skill, definitely from here onwards, I am going to become a better version of myself once again, because it all depends on my surrounding. And now I'm here in the surrounding wherein people like you are going to guide me, teach me, and we are going to learn together. So definitely I'm looking forward to this journey, improving myself and evolving as a better person every another day. Thank you for accepting me in this group and giving me an opportunity to speak about this. Thanks a lot. Back to you, Toastmaster. Hello.
Yes, yes. Just a moment, Ashutosh. She is connecting the audio from a different device. Hello, Swatik. Could you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Network issue, as always. But nothing can stop us from
But it's echoing.
masters. It's a coin. It's a coin. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Perfect. So our next speaker is someone who is a division manager and who is a risk management analyst, and he likes making friends with new people. And in order to evaluate him, we have Toastmaster Jay. So Toastmaster Jay, can you brief in the objective of the speech?
Am I audible and visible?
Yes, dear Jay.
Perfect. Thank you. Good morning, Area Director, Presiding Officer, Toastmaster of the Day, fellow Toastmaster and future Toastmasters. Welcome in our meeting. Toastmaster Manoj, our speaker, one of the best speaker, will present his icebreaker speech today. Timing is 4 to 6 minutes. And the purpose of this project is for the member to introduce himself to the club and learn the basic structure of a public speech. The title of the speech is Change is the Only Constant in Life. Best of luck to all of you. Over to you, Toastmaster of the Day. Thank you.
Hello, Swati.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. So let me introduce our speaker, Toastmaster Manoj. Toastmaster Manoj.
One moment. I guess you are connected from two devices. So it's being echoing, I guess.
Just give me a moment. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Perfect. So our first speaker is one who would like to speak his project as described by Toastmaster Jay. And Toastmaster Manoj, nothing is consistent in life. Toastmaster Manoj and Toastmaster Manoj, nothing is consistent in life. Over to you, Toastmaster Manoj.
Thanks, Swati. Am I audible and visible?
Yes.
Right.
And can you see the timer parts as well?
Yes, I can see timer. I can see the timer.
Perfect. Please
that
go ahead.
speech is change is the only constant in life. So just want to correct. All right. Thanks, Swati, for the lovely introduction. I don't know anyone in this school. I want to go back to my old school. Nobody likes me here, and nobody wants to take me along with them. The teachers are also not good over here. I don't know how many of you had similar conversations with parents for changing the schools during a childhood, but I have had ample opportunities since my father was working in government sector, and every 2-3 years he used to get transferred. Good morning, Madam President, Toastmaster of the Day, fellow Toastmasters and guests. I am Manoj Tandare, working as General Manager in Risk Management Department and trying to give my icebreaker speech today. I will try to give 1 or 2 instances in my life that kind of changed my outlook towards change and also tell about my journey. I was born on 10th of February 1986, and I'm being told that the day I was born, doctor made announcement in similar manner. The Shivgami Devi made announcement of Bahubali saying, "Here is Manoj Tandare." Well, not quite exactly, but it sounds nice. So I was not born to a king in any kingdom. I was born in Bid district in a middle class family. My father is engineer. I have completed my studies from 3 different schools and 2 different colleges. My first encounter with the change was at the age of 7 when I was transferred from one school to another. After 3-4 years, once again, I was transferred. My father took transfer from Bid to another district, and that was another change for me. On both the occasions, no one really consulted me. What if I was just a child? They should have, but parents don't do that, right? The changes were not the changes in the environment, the change in the school, new students along with me, new teachers. I was not happy along with any of those things. I was adamant to go back to my old school, the rant that I told at the beginning about nobody liking me, the school teacher not being well. I used to repeat that almost every day to my parents, hoping that they will probably take me back to the old city or old school. But alas, they never did that. They always ignored me. That in a way, I became aloof, I would say, but then in a way that helped me in my studies because I used to spend more and more time in home. I used to study a lot. I developed a new habit about reading, which is still with me. In a way that also helped me in getting better scores. I used to be amongst top 3 in the school. My name is still there in my school because I was topper in 10th. After that, the next jolt came to me when I cleared my 10th. One fine day, my father came and asked me to pack up my bags. We are going to go to Ahmednagar. We are going to take you admission over there. I still remember I couldn't even say proper goodbye to my mom. Next day, we took admission. Very next day, my father went back to home and I was all alone once again. History was repeating itself. Making new friends was difficult for me. New school or new college, I would say, new environment. And I was again adamant not to get changed. I was not ready to accept the change. This time, on top of that, since my family was not there, and that those days we used to not have telephone at home, it was difficult for me to talk with anyone. I became aloof. I lost interest in studies. My self-esteem became down. I lost my appetite. I lost considerable weight. And eventually I became sick and had to be admitted in the hospital. My father came after 5-7 days. We got discharged. I went back to my home and I was really happy because I was where I wanted. It doesn't matter what means it took me to get back there. I went to see my friends and all of us were chatting. During the discussions, I understood that they are even going through a couple of changes since the school was over. They got admission to new colleges. They kind of are trying to make new friends and struggling over there. Since I have had experience that thrice till time, even though I was adamant in accepting the changes, I tried to give them words of wisdom saying, hey, you can probably try this method, develop a hobby so that your time will be spent better and you will start feeling good. While coming back to home, it struck me, here I was getting admitted in a hospital because I was ready to change, and then giving words of wisdom to my friends as to how they can be better by adopting the change. That day onwards, my outlook towards change really changed. I came back to Ahmednagar. I cleared my 12th with flying colors. Change of city once again. I came to Pune. I took admission to CA course. Throughout CA, I cleared all my exams in first attempt. The only thing that helped me was my outlook. I was ready to adopt the new changes. I was ready to make new friends. I was ready to take up new opportunities. Since then, I have stayed over longer duration in 7 different states in India, traveled across 4 countries, stayed over there, worked in 4 different companies, currently working, started working as a team leader, changed the roles, developed new teams, joined new teams, transferred teams, currently reached up to general manager level in the risk management team. The only thing throughout this journey that has helped me is the change, my adaptability to the changes. At the end, I would like to simply conclude by saying change is going to be the only constant thing in your life. It is inevitable. What is optional is growth, how you adopt and how you grow during this journey. Thank you very much. Over to you, Toastmaster of the Day, Swati.
Hello, Swati.
Swati.
Just a moment. Hello, Swati. Are you able to hear me? Let's wait for 30 seconds. Maybe some technical issue from her end.
Sorry to interrupt. So let Swati madam join in between. If there is any feedback, you can share with the speakers so that we can save this time. And after that, our VP education will take it up with the evaluation session. Is it okay?
Completely fine.
Okay. Over to you, our VP education. Thank you.
So for the time moment, can we have the timer report now, Toastmaster Anjali, and tell us whether whether both of the speakers are qualified or not?
Hello.
Yes, Anjali, you are audible.
Both of the speaker qualified. TM Ashutosh took 5 minutes 9 seconds. TM Manoj took 5 minutes 31 seconds.
Okay, thank you so much for letting us know the timing of the speakers. Due to the technical glitch, we are not able to launch the poll. So I would request each and everyone to send their votes personally to me. So the speaker 1 is Toastmaster Ashutosh and speaker 2 is Toastmaster Manoj. Both of the speakers are qualified. I would request everyone to send the poll to me. And the poll will end within a minute.
Done.
We already got 3 votes. Nice. Great. 30 seconds more. I got 8 votes till now. 12 votes. And 10 more seconds. Pretty close, I would say. Done. Thank you so much for showing the effort throughout the personal chat. Now with that, as we all know, Evaluation and feedbacks are the two most important things. There is one famous quote: feedback is the breakfast of the champions. And to carry out the evaluation session, we have our general evaluator, Toastmaster Vinod. So I would like to hand it over to Toastmaster Vinod. Over to you, DTM Vinod.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Chandra. And we can understand all the technical issues and the process is being changed throughout the meeting. No issues at all. So my first evaluator is someone, she's a profession by teacher, a professor. And I request Toastmaster Renu to come forward and evaluate the first speaker. Toastmaster Renu. Thank you.
A very good morning to Mr. President, Toastmaster of the Day, fellow Toastmasters, and dear guests. And a special morning to my target speaker, Toastmaster Ashutosh. First of all, congratulations for completing your first icebreaker speech here in this club. Though it did not look like an icebreaker speech to me because of your comfort level. You were very comfortable in your speech. You were confident. I could see I could feel the clarity of speech in your speech. Along with that, you have a clarity of thoughts as well. You know what you are speaking. And best part, I like that you know how to deal with your problems. You can identify your problems and can resolve it. You were very honest during your speech. You told us that you were a mediocre child and you were average in academics and extracurricular activities. People generally highlight the good things about themselves, the blah, blah, blah. But you were very honest during your speech. You have the habit of self-analysis, which is really a good habit. I would like you to continue with this in your Toastmasters journey and in future also. And what else I would like to say? Competition. You give a good competition to your other speakers, as you have always faced this competition in your home also. Like you have a brother and sisters who were continuously doing well, better than you. So this spirit, do not let it die. And you had you have continuously made the eye contact with all of us. You had voice modulation. And what else I would like to say? You are very hardworking, that I can make out from your speech.
Hello, I lost in between.
Yes, we lost too.
But I think she already concluded it, so we can go ahead.
Let us wait for another 5-10 seconds. If she is joining, we'll go ahead with otherwise.
Yeah, let's wait for 10 seconds.
Yeah. Okay. Now I invite evaluator to Toastmaster Jai Singh, who will be evaluating the speech given by Toastmaster Manoj Singh. Manoj. Over to you, Toastmaster Jai Singh.
Thank you, General Evaluator, distinguished Toastmaster Vinod. What a great speech we have enjoyed today. And the speaker, Toastmaster Manoj. There are very few moments when speaker is very confident on the floor. Speaker, Toastmaster Manoj, you have the guts. You have that confidence to come on it. Great job. In the beginning itself, you have explained what you want to say. Crystal clear. And throughout the meeting, throughout the speech, you are aligned. First, alignment with the topic. Change is the only constant. You kept it same. Second, the agenda which you said about your life events, that is also same. That's the best part. If someone is interested, then what are the facts and figures will come. They can understand it and the interest will arise according to it. Superb job. The next thing which I really liked about the command on English and the usage of words. Super, my friend, super. The third thing which I like the most one, because English communication can a person learn or a stage movement can learn, but what we cannot learn, how to manage the challenges, how to tackle it, how to adapt, or we have to say how to have this adaptability with inevitable changes. You have it, my friend, and that's the most important ingredients to learn anything, to achieve anything, and you have it. You have it, my friend, you have it. So I just want to say only one thing. You already have a structured speech. You already having the confidence. You're already having how to align the title and the speech together. The points which I want to say one more, it's a request only. I will not say it's a force. Please plan your next speech as soon as possible. The reason is very much simple, because once we start, then it doesn't make sense to stop the vehicle, because it requires a lot of efforts. Today you are on stage and we want to see you once again on the stage as soon as possible. That's from my heart. And I know each and everyone available here want to see you again. They want to hear you more about it. Not only the change is the only concept, we want to know about the philosophy of your life. Great job, Toastmaster Manoj. It's really
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, please vote for the best evaluator by sending your best evaluator's name to personally VP Education Toastmaster Chandra.
Okay, I've already got 2 votes, 3 votes, 4 votes, 5 votes, 6, 7, 8, 12 votes. We will close the poll in. Okay. So thank you so much for the voting. Now I had a call with our Toastmaster of the day. She is facing some technical issues, so we will continue here from onwards. But before that, I want to tell a few lines. So yesterday I was reading something really amazing. The strongest drug that ever exists for a human being is another human being. And to cure to that is self-love. That's what was written over here. And that's what our theme suggests. And that is why it is really important to have self-love and have self-esteem. Now, with that, I would like to hand it over to our general evaluator for the evaluation session along with the team. Over to you, DTM Vinod.
Thank you, Toastmaster Chandra. Can I share my screen? Wait, I'll share.
Yes, sure, sure. I guess role players is remaining. Are you able to share it now?
Give me a second. Give me a second.
Yeah, yeah. We do have role players report remaining.
Yeah. Okay. So I request our counter role to please, Toastmaster Pradeep, please come forward and present a report. Toastmaster.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today's first I will start from role player, flawless role player. So Toastmaster Bala is a flawless role player, and after that evaluator Toastmaster Jay is the flawless evaluator, And these two persons are the flawless speaker for the today's meeting. So let's have a big round of applause for them. Then Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Swati has used 3 times and sound and 1 time sound. And then Toastmaster Anjali has used 2 times and sound. And then Toastmaster Renu, she has used so 1 time and unnecessary pauses 2 times, 1 time and 2 times. Toastmaster Asutosh has used and 5+ times and 5+ time, and Toastmaster Manoj has used and 5+ time and 5+ time. That is the report from my side. Over to you, General Evaluator.
Thank you, Toastmaster Pradeep. Nice and crispy report. Thank you very much. Now, may I request to our grammarian, distinguished Toastmaster Meenal Vaishnavi to please present her report.
Thanks, DTM Vinod sir. Here I am with my report as the grammarian for the day. The big round of applause for both the speakers, that is Toastmaster Ashutosh and Toastmaster Manoj, as Ashutosh ended up using the phrase of the day and Manoj ended up using the word of the day. And apart from that, today I didn't find so much of the, I would say, topsy-turvy situation regarding the use of linguistic skills. The communication was pretty straightforward and there were not many grammatical glitches over there. There were very fine, I would say the vocabulary used by Toastmaster Manoj was fine throughout the speech. So I didn't find like picking up a particular word or a particular sentence and say, yes, this was the best usage, because as Toastmaster Jay said, his speech was overall full of linguistic gems, I would say. And I would also encourage the other speakers to take a cue from it. And Toastmaster Ashutosh was very good regarding his confidence at delivering the speech on the board. Out and out, a great usage of language altogether. All the best for the further roles. And over to you, Vinod sir.
Yeah, thank you, distinguished Toastmaster Meenal. What a crisp and good report. Now I will evaluate all the role players.
DTM Vinod, we do have active listener, Vivek.
Okay. Yeah, may I request Toastmaster Vivek to come forward and ask questions for active listeners. Yeah, Toastmaster Vivek.
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much, General Evaluator, distinguished Toastmaster Vinod. So a very good morning. A very good morning to all of you. So I am the active listener for today. So I was listening very intently to all the things which have been said throughout the meeting, and I'm going to fire off a few questions now. So my first question would be, you remember our Toastmaster Chandrasekhar shared a picture at the very beginning. There were youngsters with long hairs and they donated their hairs. So can anyone tell me to whom was the hairs donated?
Cancer patients.
Yes, that's right. So the next question would be, our Toastmaster Ashutosh, who was the first speaker, he was a very introverted person in the beginning, and he told us that he was 25th rank in the class. So later on, when he improved, to which rank did he come?
7th.
Perfect. 7th. So, okay, our second speaker, Manoj, how many colleges and how many schools did he change?
4.
I can say you're close.
5.
Anyone else? Any try? Any guesses? Okay, it's 3 schools and 2 colleges, if I'm not wrong, Manoj.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he also told us that he has been in many states. So can anyone tell me how many states has he been in? 4 states. I'm sorry, can I come again? Can you come again? 4 states. That's about a little shy. He was in 7 states, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, okay. So that's it from my end. And over to you, General Evaluator, DTM Vinod. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Vivek. And really, you are yourself is an active listener. I appreciate you. I want to share my screen. And, is my screen is visible? No.
Yeah, yeah, now it is visible.
Okay. It's visible, right?
Yes.
So, everybody, and today I think it's a very hectic day for all of us. We can see from the meeting, no issues at all, but every minute counts, and appreciation matters a lot. So I am General Elevator. I'm Vinod Sharma. I'll present my report. Meeting was started on high energy level, and he also meeting started at time. Explained the rules of the club and the meeting of the process. Introduce the Toastmasters of the day. That is the main thing, that we have to introduce Toastmasters of the day. And I have two recommendations for Toastmaster Bala. We missed our club mission to say. Club mission is we provide supportive and positive learning environment in which members are empowered to develop their communication and leadership skill, resulting in greater self-confidence and personal growth. So mission is a must. No matter that Bala missed, then it can be taken care by either the presiding officer or Toastmaster of the day. But saying mission is a compulsory in every meeting. And today we didn't have any guest. One more suggestion for the Sergeant term, when it is general suggestion for all of, when we have some district officers attending the meeting, so we should also say include in the protocol that we should say Madam Area Director. Today we are having Madam Area Director Toastmaster mission. So we should include in the protocol for all of it. This is general information for all of us. Overall, kudos to Toastmaster Bala. Role well played. Then Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Swati. Mailers availability sent on time. Then agenda on time. Normally we should send on Friday, but we are sent on Saturday. No problem at all. Meeting progress sync with the agenda. Starting explain about the meeting theme, and it will sync with the agenda. Energy, I think energy level was down today. I'll give you the reason what report. And she introduced the theme and spoke about the theme very well. She also introduced the presiding officer, as I always appreciate. I appreciate last minute change. She adopt the process immediately, and I can understand technical, so that I will count as a problem in our meeting. Overall, a great Toastmaster today. Then I'll come to presiding officers. Yes, meeting started at a great energy by the Toastmaster Chandra. When we saw the photo, I was looking who's the Chandra in the photo, right? So it's a really, and what a great message you gave as a presiding officer, that we should not believe in blind belief. And the purpose of their to donating their hair to cancer patients, irrespective of there were so many problems, they completed their mission. And that a great message, Toastmaster Chandra, as a presiding officer, you gave us. And this message will remember for a long time, that we should not believe in blind belief. Overall, a great presiding officer speech, and keep it up in the future. Now I'll come back to my tag team, that is timer, counter, and grammarian. Toastmaster Anjali, you showed the card properly and timing speech correctly. I liked one more thing, that you not only explained about timings, but you demonstrate cards also while you introducing yourself. Kudos to you, a great role played by you. Our counter role, Toastmaster Pradeep, yes, crisp and very crisp report. You also mentioned about the flawless, and you encourage for the applauding for the flawless speaker, and you explain the role, your role about the cause. That is the main reason why many speakers, they use less hours and ums. Overall, a great role by our counter Toastmaster Pradeep. Language with a distinguished Toastmaster Minal. As it is, it was a very easy word of the day and phrase of the day. But very used by very few people. Maybe we could have invited more members from the Toastmasters, from the audience, to give the examples on word of the day and phrase of the day. And very crisp report. You explained about CRC approach, good uses and not so good uses. Overall, a great role played by Toastmaster, distinguished Toastmaster Minal. Evaluator Toastmaster Renu. Are you there in the meeting, Toastmaster Renu?
Yes, I'm back. I had network issues. I'm back now.
Yeah, I know. We can understand there is a network issue. So Toastmaster Renu, you appreciate the first speaker as the icebreaker speaker, and we normally don't give any suggestions and feedbacks. And not only you encourage, but you appreciated their voice modulation and encourage and appreciating the good work for the speaker. One suggestion I would like to say that when suppose you imagine that this is a physical meeting, right? We are meeting in physical, right? So if you say you speak well, your voice modulation, so you are addressing only the speaker. Your speech is itself is a speech. So let us avoid saying you. Rather, we can say Toastmaster, or saying by name Ashutosh, Toastmaster Ashutosh, or my speaker. So it will be the addressing to the general to the all. That is the only feedback. I know you are playing the very first evaluation this speak, and we can understand the technical hitches. So no issues at all. Overall, a great evaluation from your side. Toastmaster Jai Singh, your seasoned Toastmasters, your energy is always high. You appreciate the Toastmaster Manoj, and you also mentioned about how the speech is going on. But suggestion, normally, as I said, in icebreaker, we don't give suggestions. So let us try not to give any suggestion. If you have any suggestions, so we give one-to-one to the Toastmasters to encourage him to come back again and to deliver the speech with those suggestions. Overall, a great evaluation. Now, Toastmaster Vivek, yes, you played a role well as a active listeners, and you catch all these aspects of this, what questions and answers to be. And my advice to the club that this is a very fantastic role your club has introduced. So my request, club, that we can have 5 or 6 questions, right? Or we can have at least give to 4 to 5 minutes to the active listeners. So the active listener can justify his role, and the more entertainment will be brought in there. That is a suggestion for this active role. Overall, a Toastmaster Vivek, a good role played by you. Now, my general comments for all the club members. Request all role players who has taken the role, please attend, join meeting at least 10 or 15 minutes earlier, because VP Education has got long week and TMOD has got long week too, to see that every role players is available or not, and it will disturb their mindset, because they also playing the role, and if nobody is attending the meeting, nobody is out backing out. So I request everybody to role players, especially speakers, role players, to attend the meeting at least 10 or 15 minutes well in advance. Number one. I request everybody to avoid saying target speaker. We are not targeting speaker. We are targeting their speeches. Either you can say my speaker or Toastmaster by mentioning about the speaker, right? That is, and today I see energy level was down because of sudden changes in the meeting process 11th hour. And I treat myself as responsible for that. Even today, my energy is also down, right? Because I cannot justify with my role. And because I could not, I forgot that we are doing a process, we have changed the process, and I have to collect the introduction from every members, every role players. So I forgot that, and then Swati helped me that, okay, I'll take care of, you don't worry about that. And then we all know that technical issues, and because of she dropped. And so I request, it is my what you say, fault. And that is the main reason, maybe the his energy level is down. Overall, I can't say it's a great meeting. I can't say it's a great meeting, but yes, we can learn from our mistakes and adopt those mistakes and learn from those mistakes and take care in the future meetings. Overall, a good meeting. And over to you, Toastmaster Chandra.
Thank you so much, DTM Vinod, for giving so many recommendations to us. And we also believe that we need to work on all these recommendations. As I found out, the energy was less. So only thing that I can do is tell a small thing. There are only two kinds of people in this world. First, who says happy birthday, and second, who says thank you. Let me know which kind of person are you. So with that, we would like to go on to the next segment, and we will have the voting for the best auxiliary role player. So I would request each and everyone to send the poll to me. The names are Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Bala, Active Listener, Toastmaster Vivek, and then Timer, Toastmaster Anjali, R Counter, Toastmaster Pradeep, and Grammarian, DTM Minal ma'am. So these are the 5 nominations. Please do send your polls to me. I got already 2 votes, 3 votes, 3 votes, and 7. Great. So 10 more seconds. I believe we already have the winner. And thank you. I guess we will close the poll for the best auxiliary role player. Now we had only 2 role players who were the best role players. And now let's talk about the main role player. So for that, we have only 2 nominations. One is DTM Vinod and our Toastmaster of the day, Swati. So DTM Vinod, should we launch the poll for it as well? I believe.
No, I request we should declare the winner as a Swati. Swati is the winner. Yes.
Thank you so much, DTM Vinod. So before announcing all the names, do we have any guests who would like to tell how they found out today's meeting and give their general feedbacks to us? Our first 10 who are joining the meeting, we would like to know more about from you as well. We have Shruti, I guess, who is the new member. She just became member in the last week. So hello, Shruti, how did you find today's meeting? Are you there, Shruti?
Yes, just give me a second.
Sure.
Am I visible and audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah. Very good afternoon to everyone. Very happy Sunday and a very happy Friendship Day to everyone. My past 4 sessions, I have been consistently attending. Every session, as I say, it's a fab session. Every time you get to learn very new things, and it's brain feeding and thought feeding, and you get the energy from 2 hours. You get the energy for the entire week. So it's really very nice to meet you people every Sunday. We had a talk yesterday. I had a talk with TM Chandrasekhar, and I said him to eagerly waiting to meet everyone in person rather than this virtual thing. I know about the situations right now, yeah, but really, it's fun. It's very nice, and it's really very grooming and lot of things to learn. Very nice.
Thank you so much, Shruti, for your valuable feedback. Now it's time for the moment of glory. Let me start by sharing my screen. The best auxiliary role awards goes to none other than our active listener for today, Toastmaster Vivek. Can we have a big round of applause for him? And the best role taker award goes to our Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Swati. We knew that she dropped during the middle because of some personal issues, but we will be seeing her soon. Now, the best evaluator award goes to Toastmaster Jay. Such an amazing evaluation. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Jay. And the last but not the least, that's what we call the Oscar of Division C, Area 4, Toastmaster Club of Pune Northwest. The best speaker award goes to Toastmaster Manoj. Congratulations to all those winners. And with that, I would adjourn the meeting. Now it's time for 5 minutes of break. During that, we can have a small conversation as well. And do we have our IPP over here, Toastmaster Jay?
Yes, we will take care.
Thank you so much.
So good afternoon all. So if anyone, they can take a small bio break, and then we will join once again. In the meantime, let me tell you what is happening in the MOT and what are the facts and figures which we have to take care. Don't worry, my friend, it's not a very Supreme Court or High Court topic. It's a simple one. It's our family. And how are we working? That we have to take care. We have to support each other. We have to help each other. And at the same time, the most important, we have to understand each other. That's the most important point. Today, we are having 19 members. And as per my knowledge, we need the 50% of active members count. So the active members are normally 30 or 32. So let me first discuss with our area director, Toastmaster Nishu Sharma. If it's okay to go ahead, if she allows us, only then we can go ahead. So area director, Toastmaster Nishu Sharma, could you please share your opinions?
Yeah, if you have good amount of active member in the meetings, and we can 50% plus 1. Yeah, attendance should be there. If you want, today I'm going to take the area director report. So if you want to count this meeting as an area director meeting, then I will be happy to take it as an area director visit.
Yes, we will.
Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. Then we will definitely count it.
Yes.
So thank you very much for this. We'll complete this MOT session today because all the active members are with us, like Toastmaster Renu, our grammarian Meenal, Pradeep, Vivek, everyone is there. So we don't want to lose it.
Awesome.
Great. Thank you. Thank you very much. So normally we are creating 6 groups, and in all these groups, we are discussing all the points. And then once again, we discuss all the points together. But today we are having 19 members. So each and everyone has the opportunity. You can type in I will share my screen first. Okay. After 2 more minutes, I will wait. Then I will share my screen. There are the questions. I will explain each and every question, and you can type the number in everyone. No need to type it in a personal. You have if you like 4, if you want 5, put it. And then we will see. Because if there is an opportunity to improve, we will improve it. That's our promise. It's a Toastmaster promise. Excellence we need. Am I right, my friends? So let us wait for 1 or 2 minutes. And in the meantime, let me try to share my screen. And minimum at least let's take 8 members should type the numbers. Only then we will go ahead for the next question. Otherwise, we will wait. Is it okay, DTM Vinod Sharma?
Yeah. No issues. Yeah.
Great.
But we have to explain what is moment that you take care.
Yeah, that thing I will take care with my Excel sheet. Okay. Give me a second. Let me share. I hope my screen is visible to all of you. Am I right?
Yes, it is visible.
Great, 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 great. My friend, give me a second only. So at 2020, we will start. We will not wait for long. Host, could you please allow me? Great. Because I'm not able to see the chats on this one. So I will take the help of my additional device to do that. Okay, where is the chat option? Yes.
Jay, I have a small question before we start.
Please.
Do we have to record this one?
Yes, we have to record it. It's a formal one and we need it.
So,
thanks.
Jay, who is going to conduct MOT?
MOT will be conducted by as a IPP from me. I will take care. Is it okay?
Yeah, I was thinking, yeah. Swati was telling me AD will be take up the session, but if you are ready,
Sure.
if you have everything is ready, you can, yeah.
Okay, so you are here. So at any point, if you want to add something, most welcome. If you have any opinion, please keep adding it so that we can maintain the flow. Okay?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Great, thank you. So now it's already 12:21. So let me go ahead. So moments of truth. There are 6 sections. Example 1, first impression. In this one, we are discussing whenever a new guest joins us, how are we thinking? How are we connecting? Is he confident? Is he okay? Or is there any improvements required? Is there any suggestion? We will add it. Okay, so these are the points we will keep continue. And whenever you think, no, I'm not agree with this one, please speak. Switch on your audio and we will discuss on it. Okay, thank you. So you have the chat option. You can put the number. So 1, worst case, nothing happening. And 5, yes, whatever is required, we are doing. Oh, great. So Swati ma'am is also back to us. Hello, Toastmaster Swati. Am I audible to you? Okay, maybe go ahead. Okay. So first impression, guest greeted warmly and introduced to officers and members. So what do you think? You can type in the chat.
No, Jay, wait.
Jay, we need to create breakout room for that, and we need to discuss.
Okay, then let's
we will
go
discuss
ahead.
all the things separately.
Sure.
I think Pavel already have done with the breakout room. We need to send this.
Okay, let's go ahead with this.
Jay, can I tell you one thing? Jay,
please, sir.
Jay, we have to appoint the 6 role players, number 1, and we don't have to include, suppose now first impression, it's a membership orientation, right?
Yes.
So we have to include the club officer in the next. VP member should not be included in the VP membership matters.
Sure.
Right? Like now the other criteria about the education should not be included.
Yeah, we already have discussed that the first impression will take up the lead by Toastmaster Pavel, and the member check-in point will be Toastmaster. The lead will be taken by Chandrasekhar, and the 4th point Shantanu, and 5th Swati, and 6th DTM Vinod. So they will lead the group, and we need to create 6 breakout room for that.
Let's definitely.
Yeah, breakout rooms are created. We are just assigning it. So we have created 6 breakout rooms. Let me brief. So in each breakout room, we have 3 to 4 members. So program planning, fellowship and variety, first impression, achievement and recognition, member strength, and member orientation. These are the 6 breakout rooms names, and these are the points that we are going to discuss. So in membership, first impression, the voluntarily Pavel is going to be over there, and the discussion will be done in that group. Membership orientation would be done by DTM Minal. Membership strength would.
We can start the assigning. We can start the assigning.
Okay, sure. Just a moment. Let me assign them.
Friends, please wait for only 1 minute. We will define the rooms.
So you will be getting 10 minutes to discuss related to your points. So after 10 minutes, you will come back in the main meeting room. So you need to present your report with our immediate past president, Toastmaster Jai Singh.
So whether all the, just let me check. Okay, so in program planning, we have it. In fellowship, I will join the fellowship one, Jay. First impression, that would be Pavel is taking care of it. Achievement and recognition, data Vinod is taking care of it. Membership orientation, Minal ma'am is taking care of it. And membership strength, I guess here we need to put Swati ma'am. So membership strength. I'm
there now. You can put me across.
Okay. So I'm trying to put you over there, but I'm not sure how. Okay, I'm making you the co-host. If you are able to join that room, just do let me know. Membership strength. Okay, Bala is there, Anjali is there, and or else let me put you first. Okay, and I'm not able to make you take you in that room. I'm not sure why. Okay, I will go over there and then check. Just a moment.